Hello. I've got a really busy week this week, so I needed lots of room for writing. So I had this little sampler kit from the Thumbprint Co. that I think will leave me plenty of room, because it's only got like 4 full boxes, but it has plenty of checklists and stuff. So we'll kind of see how this goes. It's going to leave a lot of open space, but that's alright. I have some trackers by Creative Cavern Studios that I'll use. I have all my icons from Brianna Nicole Designz, so I'll be using, various ones, throughout. Be sure to check out my Instagram to follow along for sales and stuff that she's having. I know she just did 50% off this past weekend, so you don't want to miss them. And my Instagram is @Vanessa76, and that's 2 N's and 2 S's, and I post a lot there. I am also using the Days of the Week washi and this pretty flowered washi just to kind of go across the bottom. And then I had these two, I thought the colors went nicely, these 2 unicorn clips, and they're very big, so I figured I only needed 1 per page instead of my usual 2 per page. These are by the Angel Shop Co. and they're very pretty and I really like them. So we'll go ahead and get started. So I just kind of really like these flowers. So I'm just going to put, we'll see how many rows that I can get on there. This doesn't feel like, okay, I'll cut this off even so I don't have that, doesn't feel super sticky. Okay, it looks like it's going to stick well enough. But I just thought the flowers kind of went with that little kit without being too overwhelming or distracting. I think that looks very nice. Because that kit is very bright, and sometimes it's nice to try something different. I know last week I did doodles, so this week I didn't want to do doodles. I am going to use this Live Wild Flower Child right up here in this corner. Then I'm just going to write in meals. I'll use a little, oh, actually, yeah, we'll put that there. And then I'm going to put a little row of washi, just because I really like these little flowers. And then we're going to put to do. I actually have quite a few things to do, so I'm going to use a couple of these little lists if I can get them to not stick to my fingers. Alright. Then we will put in our trackers. There was one provided. Ooh, I like this daily grind. So I'll use that kind of right here. And there's the first tracker. And this kit has really bright colors. So I'll use this pretty yellow one. And I think I will use this orange one. So there's the 3 trackers I use, my meals, and my to-do list. Alright, so we'll go ahead and we'll do the days of the week. And this washi is on Thursday, which is, you know, okay. We'll just do it the same as we did last week. Just try to center it. I like when I have numbers and day covers, but you don't have to have them. I mean, the days and numbers on most pages are there unless you're using an undated. But I really do like this washi. I like that it's all different colors, which means most of the time it's going to go with any kit, and I have to say it went perfect with this one. Oops, I smushed my Wednesday. So there's all my days of the weekend. Nice bright colors. I am going to run more of the flowers right across the top here. That's the thing about doing washi tape. You can put it anywhere you want. So down here, I'm going to use the check banners. I'll go ahead and close. Oops. Dropped that one. And close this up. So I'm going to use these, since there are only 3. And just space them out every 3rd one, just to add the color in there, because I think they're very cute. Here's my lovely weekend banner. Put it right there. And I'm going to put the plan to plan here on Sunday. I will already have my pre-planning done for that week, but you know, I'll have to sit down and fill stuff out. So that is okay. This Thursday is payday. Ooh, I like the little toe sticker, so I will put that over here. Oh, I love the little Happy Mail sticker. There's a nail sticker. If I get to it Saturday, I'll do my nails. Little box sticker, because I got some stuff I got to box up. And these, because I've got a couple things I need to do each day. So I'm just going to use those there as those markers. I love that Happy Mail sticker. I wish I knew what day my Happy Mail was coming. But we'll save it and I'll put it in when it gets here. Alright. So now we will add in all the little icons that I use. I don't know if I'm going to have... I'm going to say Tuesday is probably going to be my most relaxing day this week. So I'll put my busy doing nothing sticker there. Saturday will probably be the grocery store trip. Probably not going to have time to get crafty this week. Coffee is always needed on Monday. I'm not even going to put in the TVs because probably won't be watching a lot of TV either. My dishes. Put in my always, I never feel very worky on Monday. Do my hair. I'm going to put in the kitty cats just because, well, as I say every week, I love these kitty cats. And I like to use them. I'm going to put them up here by the dates this week. I think I mostly use them just for decoration. Just because I think these are some of the cutest stickers I have ever seen in my life. I love them. Adorable. Of course, I think I said that every week too. But you like what you like. And I like the kitties. Oh, and when I'm at the store, I gotta buy cat food. Because Luna eats like a pig. And she didn't like the last cat food I bought. I bought a new kind for her to try and she didn't care much for it. Alright. I will use this little house sticker there because I got something to do there. But I think that is the majority of my spread this week. Like I said, I plan a lot as I go along. So, thank you for watching. And I will... that clip is just, I think I've bent it a little bit the wrong way. There we go. Now I got it. Alright. Alrighty. I'm all done. So, thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.